Gas is a product of nature, but it takes a lot of technology to extract gas from nature and to distribute it for use in industry and homes. Gas plant operators are responsible for performing these tasks safely and efficiently. For example, they're in charge of complex equipment that extracts nitrogen and oxygen from the air. Or they might be in a plant that liquefies, compresses, or regasifies natural gas. Part of the operator's job is to monitor various gauges and meters to make sure the process runs smoothly and evenly. Testing is also frequent. Natural gas must meet standards for purity. Things like the moisture level and flow rates need to be correct. Gas plant operators might also direct other workers who clean and repair equipment. Depending on the sophistication of the plant, an operator might be expected to have knowledge ranging from mechanics to chemistry. Starting positions often provide long-term on-the-job training, but often a college degree is required as well. And your background will be checked as closely as the gauges, because gas plants represent a vital link in the nation's energy supply.